Welcome back to Auto Review, your trusted source for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Hiace, a nameplate that has been synonymous with reliability, practicality, and versatility for decades. In this video, we'll explore the Hiace inside and out, covering its exterior design, interior features, performance, and pricing to see if it still holds its ground in a market full of evolving vans. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Hiace continues its utilitarian yet modern styling approach. It's not trying to look overly flashy, but it does boast a contemporary look that aligns with Toyota's current design language. The front fascia features a large grille with chrome accents, flanked by sleek LED headlights that offer better visibility and a premium touch. The overall boxy silhouette remains, optimized for maximum cargo and passenger space. Large sliding doors on both sides enhance accessibility, especially useful for commercial use or family transport. The rear features vertically stacked taillights and wide-opening barn-style doors for easy loading and unloading. It's a design that screams functionality, but with just enough refinement to feel modern. Moving inside, the 2025 Hiace impresses with a surprisingly comfortable and spacious interior. Whether you're going for the commuter variant or the cargo model, Toyota has clearly focused on practicality and ergonomics. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials used are robust and built to endure daily wear and tear, especially in fleet operations. However, Toyota hasn't forgotten comfort. The seats are supportive, the cabin is well insulated from road noise, and the higher trims even offer features like automatic climate control and USB-C charging ports for all rows. Depending on the configuration, the Hiace can seat up to 17 passengers, making it ideal for shuttle services, tourism, or large families. The seat layout is modular, meaning you can remove or fold rows to create more cargo space. There are plenty of storage spaces throughout the cabin, cup holders for every row, and even overhead bins in some variants. Toyota has definitely done its homework to cater to the needs of both commercial operators and private users. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Toyota Hiace comes with a 2.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine that delivers around 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, depending on the variant. This powertrain is not about speed but about strength and endurance. It offers excellent torque delivery, especially at low RPMs, which is ideal for carrying heavy loads or multiple passengers. The engine is smooth, fuel-efficient for its class, and proven to be durable over long distances. Handling is what you'd expect from a van of this size, stable and predictable. Toyota has improved the suspension setup, offering a more refined ride even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The turning radius is surprisingly tight for such a large van, making city driving and parking a lot more manageable than you'd think. Safety is also a priority. The 2025 Hiace comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims also add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota Hiace starts at around $38,000 for the base cargo version and can go up to $55,000 for the high-roof, long-wheelbase passenger variant with all the bells and whistles. These prices vary slightly depending on the region and specific trim level. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the Hiace offers excellent value when you consider its reliability, low running costs, and high resale value. So, is the 2025 Toyota Hiace worth it? If you're looking for a workhorse that doubles as a comfortable people mover, this van continues to be one of the most trusted names in the game. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about doing it reliably, efficiently, and with a touch of modern sophistication. Whether you're a business owner, fleet manager, or a large family in need of space, the Hiace ticks nearly every box. Thanks for watching Auto Review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.